Did you know that essential oils were once used by ancient civilizations, not just for their aromas, but as powerful tools in embalming, medicine, and even warfare? In fact, the ancient Egyptians prized essential oils so much that they would bury their pharaohs with jars of precious oils, believing they had mystical properties to guide souls into the afterlife. Fast forward to today, and most of us think of essential oils as little bottles for diffusers or as ingredients in beauty serums. But what if I told you that their potential goes far beyond relaxation or skincare? Essential oils are nature's concentrated gifts, capturing the essence, fragrance, and therapeutic benefits of plants in just a few potent drops. While most people associate essential oils with calming scents in a spa or as a soothing element in bath bombs, these versatile extracts have a world of uncommon uses waiting to be discovered. Today, we're diving into 10 surprising ways you can use essential oils that go well beyond the basics, expanding your toolkit for a healthier, more vibrant home and lifestyle. There's a common misconception that essential oils are reserved for aromatherapy enthusiasts or beauty aficionados. Many believe these oils belong only in a diffuser or a bottle of massage oil. But essential oils are so much more than pleasant fragrances. Their unique chemical properties make them valuable allies in cleaning, wellness, cooking, and even gardening. By exploring their lesser-known applications, you can harness the true versatility of these oils and unlock new possibilities in your daily routines. Let's unveil 10 uncommon uses for essential oils that just might change the way you see these little bottles forever. First up, natural adhesive remover. Sticky residue from labels, stickers, or tape can be a real headache to remove. But with a few drops of lemon or orange essential oil on a cloth, you can dissolve stubborn adhesives effortlessly. The natural solvents in citrus oils break down sticky substances while leaving behind a fresh scent. Whether you're upcycling jars or cleaning up after a craft project, this trick is a game changer for anyone who loves a tidy space. Second, homemade produce wash. Pesticides and waxes can linger on fruits and vegetables, even after a quick rinse. Add a few drops of lemon or grapefruit essential oil to a bowl of water, soak your produce, and then rinse thoroughly. The oils help break down surface residues, offering you a more natural way to clean your food. Plus, the citrus scent adds a refreshing touch to your kitchen routine. Third, insect repellent for plants. If you love gardening but hate the bugs that come with it, essential oils offer a natural solution. Peppermint, eucalyptus, or cedarwood oils can be diluted in water and sprayed onto plants to deter pests like aphids, spider mites, and even mosquitoes. Unlike harsh chemical sprays, these oils are gentle on plants and safe for the environment, making them a must-have for any eco-conscious gardener. Fourth, air purifying vacuum hack. Want to refresh your homes while you clean? Place a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or tea tree, on a cotton ball and tuck it inside your vacuum cleaner's bag or filter. As you vacuum, the airflow will disperse the scent throughout your home, leaving rooms smelling clean and inviting. It's a simple trick that makes routine chores a little more enjoyable. Fifth, revive stale shoes and gym bags. If you've ever opened a gym bag or slipped on your favorite sneakers only to be greeted by an unpleasant odor, essential oils can come to your rescue. Add a few drops of eucalyptus, tea tree, or peppermint oil to a cotton ball or small sachet and place it inside shoes or bags overnight. The natural antibacterial properties of these oils help neutralize odors and kill germs, leaving your gear fresh for your next adventure. Sixth, soothe itchy bug bites. Essential oils like lavender and chamomile are known for their calming properties, but did you know they can also soothe itchy skin? Dilute a drop or two in a carrier oil and gently apply to bug bites for relief from redness, swelling, and discomfort. The oil's anti-inflammatory effects help ease irritation, providing a natural alternative to over-the-counter creams. Seventh, degrease and shine stainless steel. Kitchen appliances can quickly lose their luster to fingerprints and grease. Essential oils such as lemon or orange, when mixed with a bit of vinegar or olive oil, make an effective stainless steel cleaner. Wipe down surfaces with this DIY blend to cut through grime and leave behind a brilliant, streak-free shine. Plus, you'll enjoy a burst of citrus freshness every time you open your fridge or oven. Eighth, mood-boosting car diffuser. Forget expensive air fresheners filled with synthetic fragrances. With a wooden clothespin and a few drops of your favorite essential oil, think peppermint for alertness or bergamot for relaxation, you can create a simple and natural car diffuser. Clip it to your air vent, and as the air flows, it will carry the aromatic benefits throughout your vehicle. It's a small touch that can transform your daily commute. Ninth, extend the life of fresh flowers. If you love having fresh flowers at home, but hate how quickly they wilt, try adding a drop or two of tea tree or eucalyptus oil to the water in your vase. These oils have natural antimicrobial properties that help prevent the growth of bacteria, keeping your blooms vibrant and fresh for longer. 10th, emergency toothache relief. While nothing replaces proper dental care, clove essential oil has been used for centuries as a quick remedy for toothaches. Just a tiny dab, diluted in a carrier oil, and applied with a cotton swab, can temporarily numb pain and reduce inflammation thanks to its natural analgesic and antibacterial properties. This centuries-old trick is still relied on by many people in a pinch. Now, among all these fascinating applications, there's one use that stands out for its sheer practicality and potential to change your everyday life. Using essential oils to purify the air as you clean. The vacuum hack we mentioned earlier isn't just about a pleasant scent. Many essential oils, like tea tree and eucalyptus, possess antimicrobial properties that can help neutralize airborne germs as you vacuum. This means you're not only removing dust and dirt from your floors, but also actively purifying the air in your home, creating a cleaner, healthier environment for you and your family. It's a simple, cost-effective way to take your cleaning routine to the next level and make your living space feel truly refreshed. Let's quickly recap the 10 uncommon uses for essential oils we've covered. 1. Natural adhesive remover for sticky messes. 2. Homemade produce wash to clean fruits and veggies. 3. Insect repellent spray for garden plants. 4. Air purifying vacuum hack for a fresher home. 5. Odor eliminator for shoes and gym bags. 6. Soothing remedy for itchy bug bites. 7. Degreaser and polish for stainless steel surfaces. 8. DIY car diffuser for mood-boosting drives. 9. Flower preservative to extend the life of bouquets. 10. Emergency toothache relief with clove oil. Essential oils are so much more than mere fragrances. They're powerful, versatile allies for a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. By thinking outside the box and trying these uncommon uses, you can make the most of every drop, reduce your reliance on chemicals, and enjoy the natural benefits these oils offer. If you found these tips helpful and want to discover more creative ways to enhance your everyday life, don't forget to subscribe. There's a world of natural solutions and simple hacks waiting for you, and together we can explore them all.